All right, good evening, guys. Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for June 28th, 2023. Start with the 30-minute hybrid swing trade portfolio in alphabetical order, beginning with Alcoa. These are all 30-minute charts. We closed yesterday's COTA 2 entry at 1R. A gap down against us. The AI, we added a second position from the COTA 2 and then closed a 4-hour trade on the retracement back to the Dragon. Caterpillar continued the COTA 2, holding about 2R, looking good. Closed the COTA 2 entry on Cliff after the big gap down that earned 3R. CVS, no trade. Dish Network initiated a COTA 2. That's holding about 1R. Looks promising as it's above this RL10 peak, and with just a little bit of luck, it gets above 670. Devon Energy, no trade. Electronic Arts was massively good yesterday. Today it gapped up, and as it rolled over, we exited for massive quantities. Missed the short side, but that's all right. That was a great trade. Emerging markets, no entry. There was a 1, 2, 3 entry here, but didn't really pay off much. We'll be stalking that again tomorrow. Ethereum closed the COTA 2 entry at a scratch on the gap down. Mexico closed it on the test of the PSAR. Brazil initiated the collapsing dragon short. That's holding about an R. Intel, no trade, sideways quiet channel. IP, we exited the 2 position long. The second position scratched, first position returned 1R. IYR closed out the 2 position long at the PSAR test. No trade on KRE. McDonald's scratched the COTA 2 reentry. Merck, no trade. Microsoft, yesterday's supported spring crossing gap down against us today, so we took 0.5R. Marijuana, no trade. Nvidia, no trade. PBW, we closed the COTA 2 entry for about 4R. The S&P was a sideways mess today. Treasuries, much the same. Tesla, we had a 2 position long that we closed on a retracement back to the Dragon today. And U.S. Steel was basically a scratch after a promising start from yesterday. A lot of good potential that never really materialized. And we ended up getting some reduced positions based on holding overnight. This is the sniper trade of the day in AI. Here's the gap down in the OR3. There's the breakout of the OR3 with a standard risk box of 60 cents. This is a 2R battle drill automatic reentry. It rolls over here, not quite to 4R, and then this one holds until the PSAR takes it out, and the total net was 4R. So good day of work in AI. We'll shift to the traders. This is Brian. The ideal short was here. He took it here for a half an hour loss, so minus 0.5 in DIA. Brazil, he brings in 1.3. That's excellent. This is a good shot. That's a better re-entry. Great exit. Tim, minus 0.5 in Devon. He takes the OR3 short, makes bank, gives back some, gives back some, gives back some, and nets minus 0.5 after the initial promising start. But he makes up for it in U.S. Steel. OR3, micro gain, and a 3 micro gains in a row. 0.6 pays for all the previous losses. Tesla crushes for 4.5. OR3 breakout, re-entry, plays the short, plays the long, could do no wrong 4.5. Same thing in AMD. He's playing it close to the vest. Micro losses, and then two good longs pay for the three short side losses for 0.4. Brings home 5 altogether. So keep firing. You're looking good. Damien with the S&P on 1 minute charts makes 1.25. Makes 1.5 here for a total of 2.75. He waited for the chop to break and then uses standard risk to bring almost 3R home. This is Satya in AI. Misses the OR3, but he takes the emerging dragon continuation and PSAR exit for 3R in Tesla. The second Tesla trade in OR3 and cash for 5. So total 8R today in Tesla and AI. So well done. And then this is Mike. Now he says he needs better entries, but for the time that you were in, the only better entry in here might have been inside the pocket, but that's still pretty good. And I like getting paid. Now where you can improve is on this PSAR flip. When the fall or when the summer turns to fall, I think you probably want to be either here or here. This would be a true collapse, and you're a full risk box off the top, and the RL30 has rolled over. That would be an owl entry short here. This is still not bad, and that's a great exit. It was a bottoming tail and retracing, and you got a nice fill on that. So really good work. All right, that's everything we got for the reports today. We'll get this published and posted, and the daily report is on Patreon. Take good care.